We have multiplication of polynomials. In the first parenthesis we have binomial because we have two terms. In the second we have trinomial because we have three terms. So we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So we have first 3t cube times x cube minus 4xz plus 3x, and now we have positive 2x times this whole expression in the second parenthesis, x cubed minus 4xz plus 3x. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. So first we have to distribute 3t cubed over each term in the polynomial. So we will have 3t cubed times x cubed first. Next we have, when we don't have sign, it's always positive, so positive times negative give me negative. We have 3t cubed times 4xz, positive times positive, so we positive 3t cubed times 3x. And again we have to use the same law. We have to distribute 2x over each term in the polynomial. So we have 2x times x cubed. Next positive and negative, so will be negative 2x times 4xz. Positive and positive, so will be positive 2x times 3x. So this is equal. Now we have to do multiplication. We have different variables, so we have to copy everything. 3t cubed x cubed minus 3 times 4. First we have to multiply the numbers, so it will be 12. Next we have different variables, so we have to rewrite everything. And we have positive sign. 3 times 3 give me 9. And we have t cubed x, we have to rewrite. Plus we have 2, the same base, so we copy the base, and when we don't have exponent is visible 1, so 1 plus 3 is 4. Next negative sign, 2 times 4 is 8. X times x give me x squared, and z we have to rewrite. And we have 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. Now we have to check if we have the like terms. But in this example we don't have. We have t cubed x cubed, and we don't have t cubed xz. We don't have t cubed x. We don't have x squared. X to fourth power we don't have. X squared z we don't have, and x squared we don't have. So this is my solution.